It can't get easier. It's from a can and it's a winner. This is a great way to showcase how you can change water-packed artichokes and cannellini beans. So we're going to get started and then we're going to add one finely chopped shallot. I have drained my artichokes here, cutting them up just quarters, and then these are going to just slide in the fry pan. I have roasted a head of garlic, artichokes and the shallots into the food processor. Cannellini beans in, and everybody knows Boursin cheese. Make sure you buy the classic. Our roasted garlic and a bit of fresh thyme leaves. If you don't have fresh thyme leaves, don't worry about it. We don't want dried thyme. Add a teaspoon of lemon zest. And then I happen to just love these pita chips. Absolutely delicious. And who would ever guess that this came from a can and a packet of supermarket cheese? It's a winner. Try it.